And for part three, so some of the things that I pointed out here were a lot of times people didn't have a title or didn't have a very good title. So, we spend a lot of time, or I mentioned, in your VoiceThread commentary, I'm emphasizing writing good titles. Here you were, tested on it. So you want to continue to write titles or write good titles as you do your more narrative work. A lot of people did not write in proposal format. I'll talk to that issue in the next episode. A lot of people did not use citation, parenthetical citation, MLA style citation in their proposal, and then need stronger contextualization and theorization. That's just a composition or rhetorical assessment there. And then in the fourth one, again, same thing, better title, citational evidence. Need more dialogue, less interrogation, need to write more of a dialogic style. Okay, so anyway, when all said and done, so this is an example of one grade. So it came in at a 70, right? So, and it's being curved to a 90. So there are only 3 grades that you can get in this first exam: 80, 90, or 100. Okay, so basically, if you fell within the 60 range, you get curved up to an 80. If you fall in the 70 range, you get curved up to a 90. If you're in the 80 range, you get curved up to 100. Okay. If you got something like a 60, that means that it was incomplete. You did not do everything in the exam. Okay, so that's the basic breakdown for the grading of the exam. So it's, again, diagnostic, confirmatory. It's not very discrete. I'm not writing a lot of explanation, right? So if you want more explanation, if you want to go over your test word by word, perfectly fine to do that. Please set up a conference with that. Okay, and again, this will be the only time that you have the diagnostic confirmatory grading curve. In exam 2, right, in the final exam, your raw score will be your grade. That's why you want to look at the raw score and see what the weaknesses are there and try to speak to those weaknesses through the rest of the semester as you do your work and as you get further exams. Okay, so the next thing we'll look at here is the critical thinking rubric, right? So this is how I assess everything. This is how I assess your VoiceThreads, even though you're not graded for that, and how I assess your exams. So everything, okay? So you want to take a good look at this.